Hello guys, good morning. The time is 9:26. Guys, these are the levels that we have marked today. So 15,906, the black line, the 16,020, and the red line is the previous day high. We can only take the opportunity only it crosses the red line, but we have a strong resistance on the previous day high. Let's see if this resistance break, we can take an entry. Coming to the downside, we have a pivots over here, and this is our first resistance. The second resistance, the pivots. The market comes here and makes some bullish green candle. You can go long here, or if it breaks, you can go short. Let's wait and watch and see how it goes. Following a huge trading day, market tries to move in a sideways, but it will have volatility for sure. These are the zones, guys: 16,020 and 15,906. These are our important zones. And if you wonder what are these green lines, these are yesterday's zones: 15,891 and 16,089. Look at it, guys, as it reverses from this candle. Today's our trade would be only if the market goes above this line, above this previous day high. We are taking an entry and we are closing entry over here. And second entry will be the market falls down below this candle. So what we may think is market coming down and taking support here, and from this support, if any green candle comes up, we are taking an entry. We are keeping a stop loss below this or below this, and we are keeping a target at today's high or somewhere here. We are definitely not shorting the market here because there is a pivot points which may act as a support. So we are not going short. We are trying to find an opportunity for going long somewhere here. Let's see. I think today definitely the candles will test these pivot points and has a possibility to retrace, or it may go down from here. As we have come here, probably it needs to test these pivot points and get back its momentum. Let's wait and see. Just come to this point and again taken a some reversal. Let's see whether it closes very strongly and it may come down and take support over here. And if it makes some bullish candle, we are going long from here and we are keeping our target somewhere here. Let's see. Guys, see, it has touched the pivot points and making some bullish candle. Let's wait for some confirmation from here. I thought of it will spend some time somewhere here and it will take a reversal, but it just touched the pivot points and making a reversal. Let's wait for the pullback and take a entry and keep our stop loss somewhere here. Let's wait for the entry. I'm gonna short either 15,900 put or 16,000 put. Just don't run for entries because if the candle is closed here, if you have taken an entry, you need to keep your stop loss somewhere here or here. So it is a huge stop loss. So we should never take an entry here. We should always wait for our entries. There is no entry, there is no problem. No, you can trade tomorrow. Market will open tomorrow also. So you should just be careful. As a beginner, you should just be careful. Take only the highest probability trade. I- The only reason that we are not taking the entry somewhere here is because of the huge stop loss. Market has a momentum to go until here or somewhere here. So it is a huge stop loss for us. Now the market is exactly at this level. Let's see if it make a bearish candle. We are going short right here. Let's see. Or if it breaks it, we are going long from here. Little bit retestment. We are entering. We are shorting the call of 50 quantities. Let's see. We are keeping the stop loss right above this. Small bit of retracement somewhere here to reduce our losses. Let's enter. We have entered the put and our stop loss is right below this. Let's see where the market has to go today. Let's keep our stop loss somewhere between 182. If definitely if this breaks, we will have some good move. So far we have entered only 50 quantities of 16,000 put. We are planning to exit our trade somewhere here. Since it is a previous day high, may have faced some resistance somewhere here. Let's see if this breaks, it will have a very good move. Let's hope for that. The next 5 minutes candle decides whether this 15-minute candle will close above this line or will close below this line. If it close below this line, we might have some retracement back, or again pull back, or again it may fall from here. Let's wait for that 5 minutes candle. Yes, we thought of keeping 180 as our stop loss, right? So we got 1:1 risk reward at right now. We could really exit 1:1, but let's try for 1:2 somewhere here. We can actually sell calls from here and keep our stop loss somewhere here. Probably be a good idea. Let's see. If I could, I would sell a call too. If this candle closes below this, we are exiting our own leg. As we discussed, it took some resistance at the previous day high. If the market spends somewhere time here, then it will have a good move. This resistance needs to be broken with a good volume candle. If this makes a bearish candle, we can exit the put and keep our stop loss of our call somewhere here and again enter the put. Now we can actually exit it. I have exited it at -40. Let's see. We are now only on one leg. We are betting on our calls. The market will fall. Let's see. My stop loss is right above this. This candle definitely needs to close below this, or we might have a big move upside. This no trading zone, guys. Actually, we should have waited until this close or either this close. But unfortunately, we have taken the trade somewhere here. Okay, it's not a problem. We can maintain it. Let's see if it clearly goes into this direction. Can make some profit and we can exit, or if it's just coming up and going, or if it's just coming down and going up like this, we need to probably need to take some loss today. So okay, let's see what happens. Hello friends, now let's look into the chart analysis. Guys, coming to the today's chart, it opened exactly at 15993 and the close was yesterday's low at 15738. As you can see, we have drawn these lines at the opening of the market. I will show you the live trading video. And my initial plan was, if the market comes here and makes some bullish candle somewhere here, let's go long. This was my initial plan. I waited for some retracement, but it didn't happen. So I couldn't go long over here because of a huge stop loss somewhere here. Because we need to keep the stop loss here or somewhere here. By seeing this red candle, I thought to take sell entry, but I waited for another candle to close. But when I see the closing of this candle, it seems so bullish. So I entered the puts and I was at the initial profit of 700 rupees at this point, and I was expecting the market to go until here, somewhere in this region. But unfortunately, market stayed in a sideways trend. I took multiple stop losses somewhere here, here, here. I took the stop losses somewhere here and in this bullish candle. And until this candle, I was at the loss of approximately 13,000 rupees. But soon after, in this candle, I thought to buy put of 1400 quantity. As you can see here, after entering a trade, I took multiple stop losses and I was reversing my trade. And you can see I took a loss of 13,000 rupees. So exactly at 140, I took a put. I bought 1400 quantities at 174 and I exited at 185, which I almost recovered 11,762 rupees with an overall net loss of 1,342 rupees. After when the candle closed here, it had a huge fall, but unfortunately, we could not take advantage of it because we have took so much of trades today. So I thought of not taking any entry. On Monday, we have three scenarios. The market can open gap up, or it can open flat, or it can open gap down. If gap down opens, we know what to do. We need to wait until it retraces back, and we can take somewhere the entry here and we can short the market. If the market opens flat, we should just wait until the candle closes below this line and take a new sell position. And if the market opens gap up, we should just wait and see if this high is been broken or not. If this high is broken, you could just go long. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.